Okay, I just want you to see more clearly the gaps in that connection for the furnace over here. You know, it comes into the lower connection in the common, and of course the water heater. So now let me take you up here so you can actually see it very vividly. Oops. You see that opening right there, the top of this is the water heater connection, and then if I bring you around, you can see the gap between the flue tie-in to the common. Let's see that space right there. Now, keep an eye on that while I push the pipe and light up inside. See, I'm going to put the light up inside so you can see how open that is. Same thing up the top. Alright. Can't hardly be more carelessly connected than that. And since this opening is on the upper portion of the furnace pipe, of course the hot fumes of the furnace want to rise, and as soon as they come up to this opening, they have an easy escape into this space for the furnace and the water heater, and then to be distributed through the house through the vacuum of the squirrel cage blower in that furnace, as you saw in the other films. Let me take you up there again. So you clearly see that opening on the water heater and that opening on the furnace connection into this common stack. And you see the activity of my light in there. I don't know why my cord is all tangled up here. Oh, here we go. Let's see. You see that space in there? That's a serious violation. Alright. With that much space open, then you have no real other option than to be breathing fumes of the furnace and the water heater whenever they're operating. Okay. Again, this is apartment 2. Of 770 East 3rd Avenue.